First, import the footage you want to use to the timeline. Then go to text and add a default text to the timeline. So you can just drag and drop or click on the plus icon that appears when you hover on the text to add it to the timeline. Now select your text, go to the text area, and type what you want. So I will type text behind. You can edit your text to how you want it, like change the color, increasing the font and position it at where you want behind the object. Now we have to make a duplicate of the footage, so you can just right-click and select copy, then paste it on top of it. Or select your footage, hold the Alt key on the keyboard and drag and drop your clip on top on it to create a duplicate. And when you are done, make sure your text is in between your footages. Now we have to remove the background of our footage so the text can appear. So select your duplicated clip, go to Video on the Editing tool panel, click on Remove Background and select Auto Removal. Wait for a while for Capcut to remove the background for you. And there you have it. This is how to place text behind person, but if you want a tutorial on how to put text behind anything like animals, cars, and even building, then comment tutorial in the comment section. See you in the next video.